Hey everybody, good morning. This is Robert, and it's not really morning. So, Deep Thought Cycle Vlogs, we're gonna go back home. I was not able to complete my journey last night due to my slashed rear tire. So, here we are. I stayed here. Way too much money, and now I'm gonna go back, and I'm running on like 3.5 bars, so this is gonna slow me down. I got 100 kilometers to go. Last night I tried to go the highways, really heavy traffic. I don't know if I showed you that on the video last night. I got 30 minutes of video. Honestly, last night I was a little bit tired, and it took a lot more strength out of me to pedal with 3 bars than it does at 6 bars. So my only hope is I could get back to Guangzhou, and when we get back to Guangzhou, we'll get another tire. Maybe we'll try the Marathon Supremes or the Marathon Touring. Good tires for almost 16,000 kilometers. It's unfortunate, I lost a job, and it fucked up my trip to Hong Kong, right? I would have been home already last night if it wasn't for this flat tire. I know it wouldn't have been easy, but I'm sure I could have made the 240 kilometers in the ferry if I didn't have that tire problem. So we got 35 minutes left to film or something, and I'll turn it on and off during the trip, and let's see what happens here on this way from Shenzhen. Kind of a boring highway though. We're going up the G105, going up there really fast, very crowded, and I'm sunburned already, so watch me bake, right? See you guys soon. I don't like this road. No shoulder. The cars are assholes. And freaks me out, you know? Seemed like Shenzhen, all the traffic are assholes, you know? Especially on this highway. There's a service road on the side, but I've tried to follow it before, and I keep getting cut off and having to go on 2 or 3 kilometer rides to rejoin the correct path. So yeah, that's why I don't like the G107. If you take the non-highway route, it adds a lot more kilometers than I have time for. 10 kilometers go, but I called JD's bike shop. I sent him a message on WeChat, tell him that I need a tire because I can't stop riding, and he says it takes 4 weeks to get the Supremes, I think, but he does have a Marathon and Marathon Plus Touring in stock. There was an extra, I don't know, man, extra 20 kilometers to shop. So I just went ahead and entered it in my GPS. My average speed is, I don't know, man, 26 kilometers an hour. Try to get there in about 4 or 5 hours. Not a lot to eat around here, so I guess I just won't eat. And I thought about going home, get my boys to take the subway, but What the hell? Minus kill. 2 birds with 1 stone. It's a tough decision. Thinking about what to do. Thinking about which tires to get. Okay, looks like we're getting some kind of cell phone coverage. Because I'm getting all my messages come in. I'll have to stop and check them here in a second. We've left the Shenzhen Special Economic Development Zone and we're coming up on Dongguan. Dongguan used to be famous for tons and tons of bitches and cheap factory town where businessmen come to get all their bitches. Stay tuned as the pedal turns, baby. In all of its beauty, which I think is way better than Hong Kong or Shenzhen. Shenzhen's so developed, man. Rich people hide in their Bentleys. Can't even stop and eat somewhere or buy anything. Pain in the ass. Here you can. You can stop and eat, which maybe we should do real quick. Should've got a hotel here, man. Saved a hell of a lot of money. My bad. I was too tired and worried about the highway the night. It was so bad last night, you know? And I was afraid I was gonna be making some mistakes. And mistakes tonight on the highway are deadly. So keep your eyes open here. Maybe get some food. Maybe. Problems. Traffic. Who knows, man? Who knows? I need to hurry up. Try something different. Goddamn mountain at the end of the street. Man, the way I'm sweating, my low air back tire, I hope I don't gotta climb that right now. But if I do, I guess I'll be ready. Can't even see the top, huh? Is it for real? Is it a real mountain? Is it a fantasy? Woo. Let's make a picture real quick. In the Sin City. It's like we'll be going around. Thank God, huh? Thank goodness. Chef Boyardee. I thought about stopping and getting some kind of food, but I guess I'm still so fat, I don't need to. So I guess I'll just burn this old man fat up a little bit and keep riding. Ghost rider, motorcycle, hero singing, baby, 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 you look so good. Okay, everybody. This is nice. We're going downhill a little bit right now, huh? That. I like those loud horns. Even this highway is more friendly than the highway was last night, though. See you guys soon. There's a bank. Any food? Let's see here. Not much, man. Medical waste. Okay, I guess I'll just get a drink. Hey, laban. Okay, Google. How do you say in Chinese hard-boiled eggs? Hey, 你好，老板。来，我有问你，我有买六个鸡蛋，明白没有？你不会说中文吗？30个鸡蛋。 我要买6个。
啊？
我要买6个。6
个？我这里没卖。
鸡蛋啊？那个转一个弯那里有。
转一个弯。
哦，我有吃饭，有买6个，我要你帮我。
你们这里没买，这里没买吧？你要那边也放是吧？这里面转一个弯，下去就有。
OK， 谢谢。
他想在你这里吃饭，叫你帮他买几个鸡蛋来这里吃。这样。
谢谢。So you cannot boil any eggs for me. Haha. Hey， 老板。哎，你好。我要问你，我要买
你阻止得了吗？
过来。
魏公子，魏王大人已经去
我要买6个鸡蛋。
已经部署成型。6个鸡蛋。
对，在敲有热水的。过来，我不会跟你说。
你觉得你能有什么办法？魏公子，我知道你对公主很好，但是奴婢也希望你对自己好一点。
年前煮熟的鸡蛋。
对，可以给我买6个吗？
你连跟公主说话的机会都没有。
只有那个贵人了。
包了看到不？他买一个鸡蛋。
还有煮的，煮熟的。
6个。
煮熟的他有。
只要他过得去。
他那里有。
哪里？
一二。熟的鸡蛋他那里有。
帮我6个，6个，收店。多少钱？6块啊。谢谢啊。
可乐。
看这手大，快点抱抱，抱抱，我是金同学，你满了，哎呀，抱抱老师，抱抱老师，抱抱，抱抱。我们俩和大家一起玩吧，好漂亮的小丑啊！哎，大家快来看呀，在哪里？在哪里？哇，好漂亮啊！好看，小猪猪，好漂亮！我这里有小汽车，你们来玩吗？小汽车是什么东西？它可可爱了！瞧瞧瞧瞧，汽车，大家快来玩滑草，滑草可好玩了！不要玩汽车，让我玩一下嘛。汽车有啥？滑草才好玩呢。知道
I got about 69 kilometers left, man. Looks like it's going all right, man. I don't want to say nothing about it because you know how that works. Normally I stay away from these eggs, man. They just let the shit sit there forever, but man, I can't wait no longer. Nobody's gonna cook me any eggs, so. Cake. Had 6 eggs. Woo! Only 6 minutes of film left. See you soon. Kilometers. 28 kilometers. A little bit wetter outside. Feels good. Lovely weather. Almost there. As wet as it is, I sure am thirsty. Okay, everybody, we just made it to JD. That was about 120 kilometers, and we still got 20 kilometers to go home. 20 kilometers to go home, and our good subscriber Artie and patron is going to send us some Schwaba Supreme Marathon Supremes foldable beads, but there might be a chance they don't get here in the mail, and I need to go to work. That's my work car, so I'm going to get a replacement tire for the back and see if we can make it back. So we still got about 20 more kilometers, 25 more kilometers to go for about 140 or 150 today. We got 3 more minutes left of recording. I'll see you guys soon. Woo! That was. Two new records. Hey, boy. Longest ride. Something else, I don't know. 143 kilometers. Woo! Made it, and I sprinted the whole way home. Let's see if I broke any records too. I was driving. Hi, Paul. Hi, Solaris. What you doing? Alright, guys. That was a big ride. Thanks for riding with me. I'll catch you guys soon.